I can't imagine that companies wouldn't want to measure equipment performance. I mean, at the end of the day, you're trying to manage your business, and your assets are a critical part of running your business. I can't imagine why you wouldn't want to measure that. If you do measure your equipment performance, then there's some benefits you can achieve through that. If you can understand what your total costs are, and that's to say, not just maintenance cost, but your total operating costs, then you can understand opportunities to reduce that cost. And what business don't want to achieve cost reduction? If you can understand where the losses are in your equipment performance, then you have an opportunity to counteract those losses and increase your throughput. If you can increase your throughput, then you can achieve a capacity increase if you need that. And many companies, their capacity increase strategy is go buy a new machine, go open a new plant, expand the warehouse, that kind of thing. And those things cost a lot of capital. So if I can increase capacity without capital expense, not only do I have the capital avoidance, but also further reducing the cost of running the equipment itself. We always use overall equipment effectiveness as an overall measure, and within overall equipment effectiveness, there is availability losses that we want to understand, there's performance losses that we want to understand, the efficiency, and then there is quality losses that we want to understand. And one of the traps that companies fall into, they'll measure only one of those. They'll measure, for example, major breakdowns, or they'll measure efficiency loss. We really want to look at all three because there are opportunities in all three. The other issue that a lot of companies have is just a lack of data. And you can very quickly create some manual data acquisition, but in today's world it's very inexpensive and very easy to put some automated data trackers in place so we can understand not only what my overall equipment effectiveness is, where those losses might be occurring, but also where in the line they're occurring. So I can start addressing, be more specific in how I address those problems. Again, making me more and more effective.